Good morning, students. How are you all? Welcome to EVS class. Lesson 2 Family Continuation. What we learned in the previous class? Signs used in the family tree. And yes, about Manu's family. There were 4 generations in his family. What else we learned? Yes, we learned about the joint family and nuclear family. Now today, let us listen to Manu's neighbor. We'll see what she is saying. I grew up in a big family. There were 25 members in my family. Everybody took the responsibility of nurturing and taking care of the children. When I was young, grandmother used to tell stories. My grandfather told me how to behave. But now in my family we are only me, my husband and my 2 children. Now I have to take lunch for my husband who is hospitalized. Where do I leave my small child? This is where my worry now. Okay. Now what her neighbor is telling, children, what Manu's neighbor is telling, that she grew up in a big family. There were 25 members were there, it seems. And everybody had some responsibilities. Example, grandmother used to tell her stories. And grandpa used to teach how to behave with everyone. And now, after her marriage, now they are only four of them in their family. Who are they? It's her neighbor and her husband and 2 children. And her worry was, husband is in the hospital. She wants to take lunch for him. But a small child don't know where to live. It is worry. She is worried. Isn't it, children? Yes. Is it a worry only because she can't take the small child to the hospital, isn't it? We'll see what happened. Her neighbor, Razia, Didi, had come now. Let us listen what she will say. Don't worry. Leave your little child in my house. I will take care. We should help one another when we are neighbors, shouldn't we? So what her neighbor told? Razia Didi, what she told? She told, see, we are neighbors, we have to help each other. So leave your small child in my house, I will look after her. Did you hear my friend's mother? Worried. Worry has been solved. Then who's there to help your family? Write the various type of help that have they have done for you in the space provided. Okay. This, when you come to school, you can write, children, because I know that present you don't have textbook, isn't it? So you write in your rough note about your neighbors. You will be having neighbors both the side, isn't it? And in the front of your house also. And they will be helping you a lot in one or the other way, isn't it, children? So think of that and write about their help, how they helped you, okay, and in which way they help you. Children, here some points are there that will suit for the joint family also and nuclear family whose neighbor is helping them, taking care and protection, give the required education, provide provisions for food, teach lessons, consoling if we lose in the game, provide treatment when sick, show love and affection, provide necessaries, support when mother is not there, spare a lot of time. Isn't it, children? When we're reading only, you will know which point will suit for whom. Taking care and protection, giving the required education, providing provisions for food. See, these 2 points will suit in the nuclear family. And providing provisions for the food, it can be helped by neighbor. And teaching lessons both in nuclear and also with neighbor it suits. And counseling if we lose in the game. Yeah, if we are in the new joint family, they will help you, isn't it? If you lose the way, if you lose the game, sorry, if you lose in the game, you will be worried, isn't it? You will be upset, so they'll console you, isn't it? Providing treatment when sick. Yes. The home remedies will be there. If the old people are at home, they will be telling you home remedies, and they'll be providing treatment. Show love and affection. Yeah, of course, both the sides, this affection and love will be there. Support when mother is not there. Yes, the neighbors will do that, isn't it? When your mother is not there, till she comes, you can stay. Nowadays, it's happening, isn't it? Many places it's happening. Spare a lot of time that in the joint family, isn't it? Yes, this you can take it how you're taking it, that is it. Okay. So, children, I hope you understand about the family lesson. And can you tell me, children, what are the qualities you learn from a family? Yes, blessings of elders, coordination, living together, respect for elders, improving relationship, love and identification, health and the fulfillment of necessities, protection and cooperation. Isn't it? These are the main qualities you learn from the family, whether it is nuclear or joint. These qualities you will get it, isn't it? What are the benefits of living in a family? Hmm? It develops a feeling of belongingness and security, isn't it? If you stay alone, you will not get anything, but family experience is different than the staying alone, isn't it? It develops in a continuation of the family discipline in culture, values, customs, and practice to the excessive generations. Yes, you will be keep practicing that, isn't it? Okay, hope you enjoy the lesson, children, and keep the points in your mind, and please respect the elders. Understand, especially your grandparents. Okay, thank you, children.